Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can filter the notification that you want to access on your Instagram account. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram, but before it you need to make sure that you already upgrade your Instagram into the newest version. You can visit your app store here on your app library, and then you just need to make sure that Instagram is already upgraded. And right after you update your Instagram, now you just need to open your Instagram account. Now you just need to stay into this home sections right here and take a look on this top side. There could be like two buttons. Just go tap into this love icon, and if you want to filter a specific notification, there could be a sections pop up here. All means that all notifications could be popping up here. But then if you want to see only a comments, just go tap into this comments, and there could be a lot of comments that you received for recent days or time. And then after that you can just find whatever notification that you want to access right here. So that is for today's tutorial. Super easy and simple. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below. But then if you want to get a new update tutorial, just subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification sections. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.